Lesson number 6. Medio Giro after the rock step.
Giro o molinete is the turning figure of Argentine tango and tango vals. Now, medio giro signifies half of the turn, meaning you are turning 180 degrees more or less, not all the way around 360. Medio giro is a very natural structure that milongueros use in order to change directions in the room when there is no possibility to progress. And also, medio giro is very easily linked to the backward ocho and to the rock step. So the first option we will use is combining rock step and medio giro, turning to Michael's left, which is counterclockwise. We already know that we can enter rock step either from going side, forward, rock step, and then returning to the side step, or we can go directly from the pendulum into the rock step. We can also use progressive caminata and use the rock step as a form of breaking the movement, of stopping and redirecting the movement. For example, moving forward, forward, rock step to the side. That helps us to quickly change direction and manage the traffic on the dance floor. If I intend to turn Elvira to my left, we will now demonstrate directly from the rock step. On the completion of the rock step, I already begin to rotate my body left, and my side step with the left foot is much shorter than hers, turning my left foot and my upper body in the direction of the giro.
Why Michael is making smaller step is because I'm going to go around and my step will be bigger.
Now, let's see. Rock, step, and open. Elvira will collect her feet, getting ready for the pivot. Once again. 1 and 2. And once more. Rock, step, and turning left. Now, I suggest the following exercise for the leaders. Turn your upper body first to generate the pivot in the ladies' hips. And then, when you reach the limit of your upper body, turn your feet and your hips and continue turning the entire structure. This could be an exercise to test yourself if you can actually lead this pattern, because unless you learn to direct your woman, it is not possible to dance Argentine tango or tango vals. Now, what are your steps, Silvina? Let's understand. With the lead that I give you, what do you feel is happening?
Step to the side, collect feet, rotation, and step back in a very compact manner, crossing my knees, then step to the side, around the partner, and step forward without rotating my hips, but rotating my upper body, and finishing with the pivot.
Let's do it once again, but we now consider the timing of double stepping. We will double step during the rock step, double step, and give time for our ladies to collect the feet and to pivot, and accelerate, double step once again. So we would like you to dance medio giro in a timing of quick, quick and slow, quick, quick and slow. If we put 2 steps of the pendulum in advance, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and exit with a front step, for example, then you get a nice, very danceable structure. Let's watch this once again, and I will explain the footwork for the leader. 1 and 2 and rock step and side and giro around. And give your lady time to pivot at the end of this front step, which is equivalent of the front ocho, except it will be more compact. So it's a very compact ochito. And we must give time for our partners to pivot, face us with the hips, and then exit from there. Men's footwork, I prefer to keep minimalistic, simplistic, milongeristic footwork to keep it really, really efficient. Rock step and a small side step, really just opening my feet, turning my upper body, turning my base, and quickly pivoting on my left foot to close my feet together. Upon closing my feet, I would have changed my weight to the right foot, ready to go with my left. So really, I don't have much of a footwork. And that's logical. I am the center of the movement, and Elvira is moving around me. 1 and 2, and she goes around my left foot, and I pivot. To demonstrate it even more clearly, I will just stay over my left foot. Yam, pam, pam, pam. We can go on and go on and go on and go on. Of course, that would not be a Medio Giro, that would be Giro, 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 Giro. But this was just to express the idea that I am the center. My left foot is the center. Now we should try it with the music, shall we?